Open Sauce 2024 is like, it's like that close away from happening. I wish we would have announced it already, but there's decisions that have to be made and things that have to be done. But we've been working very hard. You okay? What'd you do? You
I started choking.
You started choking on the air? You took a breath of air and then... Am I helping? Hi, Potato. I don't want to say I got in over my head, but I took an enormous leap of faith. And Open Sauce Year 1 will only break even if we do Open Sauce Year 2. So we've been working very hard. Hello, Potato. Hello. It's me, Papa. I am your father. I'm not trying to sell the event with pity. It is probably, no, it is the thing I'm most proud of. What? Other than Potato?
Thank you.
Basically, I didn't really get to enjoy the event, and it made me sad not seeing all the cool things that you guys brought. And so I started doing it after Open Sauce. I've just been pinging people in the Discord server that have cool things that I know are in the area that I'm in, like up in San Francisco. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just because the cookie factory is in Oakland doesn't mean we're gonna die.
I don't want to do this.
You know that Oakland, this is the third most dangerous city in the United States, right?
I know, and I've been here for 6 years.
You've been here 6 years?
Yeah.
No one's gonna break into the car?
No, you'll be fine.
Are you
There's
sure?
an event across the street.
Do you work here or do you own the factory?
I run it with my wife.
Yeah, I was expecting like a old man.
That's what everyone says.
Yeah. How long has this place been here?
60 years.
Holy moly.
Yeah, so like these are the original machines.
Can you even buy machines like this anymore? Can we spin one up? Or?
Yeah, I can turn one on. There's like nothing, there's no batter, obviously.
Right. Oh my god.
So there's like 2 rails that go around, and it's like a carousel oven, and it goes around, comes out, and then it comes out at like 300 degrees, and then you fold it into a fortune cookie. This is a machine we ran today. This is our main fortune cookie machine. Batter goes in, comes out, and then you have a disc, and then you have like maybe 2 or 3 seconds before you have to fold it.
So the person's folding it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Oh, excellent. Excellent. What I'm trying to say is Open Sauce 2024 is going to be good, not because it's going to be good because it has to be good. It has to be good. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Nope.
My name is Taylor Waddell. I'm a PhD student at UC Berkeley, studying mechanical engineering. We are in the basement of Etcheverry Hall in the Design for Manufacturing lab. So a lot of people are familiar with 3D printing. You build up layer by layer. We throw that all away. So we pretty much print instantaneously. And how we do that is we form all parts of our geometry all at once.
This material is a gel in...
Is gel the scientific term, or do you ever say goo?
I would call our normal resins goo, but this is actually a solid gel when it's at room temperature.
Like honey, or thicker?
Like Jell-O.
Oh, it's like hard?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
These are microfluidic structures.
Are they hollow?
Yeah. So this is kind of a vascular structure.
So each of those tubes is like a pipe?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, so the smallest channel in here is about 150 micron inner diameter.
Every time I walk over, you have like a worried look on your face.
Because I see you coming with the camera.
Are you excited for Open Sauce 2024?
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Great, give me the money.
No! Put that onto there.
Guys.
Number 2. Are you ready, Kevin?
No, please go to Open Sauce, guys. Please go to Open Sauce, please. Everybody, oh God.
All right,
no.
you've been a good boy. Get one shock.
No.
Scream. Prop it up. Some more shitty vibe. What's green flavor?
Melon.
Okay. Fortune better be rough. Keep an eye open for an opportunity in the field of sports. That's a lie. It's a fortune cookie. It's good. It's really crunchy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I mean, as good as a fortune cookie. Yeah.
Right.
Cheesecake's better.
Oh, okay. Cheesecake's
No. They're good.
But it's not cheesecake, right?
Organize your life around your dreams and watch them come true. I dream that our car's not stolen. OpenSauce 2024 is going to be in the lovely, glorious city of San Francisco. It's amazing. Nothing bad ever happens there. Let's go! Let's go! And you can buy tickets right now, before they go up, before we announce the location, for cheaper than what they will be once we announce the location. But right now it's not. So if you want cheap tickets, it's going to be in San Francisco in the summer, June, July. If that's enough information for you, you can go get your ticket right now for cheaper. If not, then you're just gonna have to wait until it's announced and the prices will go up. So we'll see you in 2024. There's gonna be more exhibitors this time. We're gonna have, I think, last year was about 150 exhibitors. This year is gonna be somewhere between 300 and 500 exhibitors, depending on what we end up working out. So yeah, if you start thinking about something you wanna bring for next year if you wanna exhibit, that's one of the free ways to go. And you get to come to the Friday night party, which is like definitely a very, very good experience. We can just return the car like this, right? This is fine?
Yeah.
This is fine.
This is someone else's problem.
What perfect storytelling.
You know, one time I slept in an oyster farmer's house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's the fucking video?
I didn't post it because I felt like it was not, like people don't want to see videos of oysters. And they say they do, but I know that they don't.
Okay, but so how did, what?
I didn't sleep with the oyster farmer, Emma. I slept in the oyster farmer's house.
Listen, I wouldn't judge it either way.
He was attractive.
Okay.
I'm not into dudes though.